All right, so you used a supered package to install a HubSpot resource into an instance that should not have that resource. What do? The way that supered is designed, we are designed to not destroy any HubSpot resource, meaning you can't just uninstall that package and rest assured that it pulls out that HubSpot resource. That's not how supered works. However, we do have a workaround for you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come into the package that had that resource and go into the installation. So I'm in the account that I assigned that package to, and I put that resource into it. And we have two ways. So this is the first way. I'm gonna hit open. I'm gonna go open the installer, and it's going to pull me into this account. I'm going to go into the account that I assigned them into right here, okay? And this right here acts as a hyperlink into that resource. So I can come into the resource itself and delete it out very quickly this way. So it links you out. Now I said there's two ways. The second way is we're gonna go back over into supered, and we're gonna come into HubSpot resources, which is found under partner, HubSpot resources. We're gonna go into that package that I installed. I'm gonna click on it. And I'm going to be able to view the resource here. And again, it's going to pop me into HubSpot, but this is going to pop me directly into that account so that I can manually delete that HubSpot resource out.